Come with me to get Botox for the first time in my life. So I slept in and just about made my train because the appointment was quite early, and in the end I still somehow managed to come in earlier, so we had over an hour to discuss my whole treatment plan, which was great. My esthetician was super knowledgeable. She explained everything to me and made sure I understood all the risks. And since I came in to get this done only a week before my engagement party, she actually told me that even though the risks are very minor, that maybe it's not the best idea to do some of the procedures that I wanted so close to the time. And so I took everything she said on board, and we just went with a little bit of Botox into where I have my crow's feet. I've always been very self-conscious about those lines, and I know some people will say you can barely see them, you don't need this, but I can see them, okay? Especially when I have makeup on, and it's something I really want to get corrected for a long time. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit sore, especially on my left side, and I made a mistake and came in with makeup on. I will not be doing that again, but that's why my skin is a little red, because she had to use a disinfectant to remove all of the makeup around my eyes, and I have just very sensitive skin. Straight after, I just had these little bumps for a while, but they went away in just a few hours.